Bennett, I found PJ Masks.
PJ Masks?
Wait, what? So we're gonna try Sam's Scan and Go and see how this works.
Also, we're 6 to go today.
We're 6 to go today.
We have a special guest star. Way in the back. It's our friend Jen.
Parent extraordinaire.
Yeah. Yeah, she has twice as many kids as us and is way better at parenting.
Yes.
So we're gonna roll into Sam's Club here and pick up a couple things.
You must have just fallen asleep.
Yeah, Ben fell asleep on us. We had no idea.
Come here.
Oh. We were only in the car for like 5 minutes. So this is
See how
the
long
first.
this lasts.
Yeah, he doesn't normally stay asleep when we carry him.
No.
So we'll see.
We'll see how long I last, because
Yeah.
he's a heavy boy.
Yeah, he is. What'd you find, Brooke? Oh, things we don't get anymore.
I want to get that.
Yeah, you need a vanity.
Look at the twin strollers, Brookie.
Ooh, I want to get that for me too. Oh, baby can ride. Oh, Ben.
Oh, Tara wants the off-roader. See, I can get behind this one. Oh, honey, do we need 500 Nerf darts? Oh, it's so heavy. it's like 5 ounces.
Oh my god, it's the heaviest thing
I
ever.
never saw another Nerf dart ever.
I bet you the pallet driver, the forklift driver, like goes to pick that thing up, it just goes whoop.
Right?
So what do we normally get at stores like this? Because we don't have room for huge containers of 20 pounds of mayonnaise.
We usually find like sparkly waters like LaCroix or whatever they have on sale here. We can fit those in. We buy diapers here because we go through them so quickly. When somebody has no interest in going to the bathroom.
Tara.
None at all. No. We usually buy like some of the prepared foods here. We sometimes get croissants or rolls.
Yep.
There's some dinners that Brian and I like at Costco that we'll get.
It's also a really good place for stuff like bacon.
Oh yeah, we buy 4 pounds of bacon whenever we buy bacon.
Yeah, because when it comes to bacon in bulk doesn't take up that much room.
No.
What do you see,
We do
babe?
buy some snacks here, but we've tended to do that, and then the kids are like, "No, we don't want gummies anymore."
Yeah.
Or like,
It's like right after I buy a box of 80
we don't want
gummies.
Cheez-Its anymore. Oh,
Yeah.
okay, great. I want one of those.
What is
You think
that?
that'll hold me?
Is that like a cocoon?
It's like a cocoon.
Like a cocoon?
Like a space cocoon.
Padded interior, 350 pounds. Honey, this will hold you.
Yeah, see? Oh, it will hold me. And the children.
It's very strange. It looks like an Apollo capsule.
That's what I thought it looked like too. That'll hold me and the children.
Cannot believe he is still asleep. This is adorable.
I don't know what this is.
Ooh, what is this? A knockoff Instant Pot?
It's a knockoff.
Power Quick Pot.
Oh my god.
Ooh,
Did you get the Instant Pot?
she did. I saw it. She got the big one.
Oh, the big one.
Good lord.
It's a beast.
But you're also feeding 8. So
This is true.
Yeah.
But
I have some man-child children, so it's kind of like
man-children?
Space Jammies.
Space Jammies. Oh, and the 3 T's right on
They're
top.
only $7.44.
It's not
Space
bad.
Jams.
Space Jams.
We'll get lost in the RV at night. Won't be able to see him.
If they were glow in the dark, that would
cute.
be awesome.
Oh, it's the transfer. Get that head on the shoulder real quick.
There we go.
Feel this.
Yeah, as long as his head doesn't fall, he tends to stay asleep.
To replace my winter coat, because we got rid of mine.
Yeah. That's interesting. Is it warm?
Yeah.
The hood comes off. It's super thin. Is that warm?
Yes, Brian, it's warm.
And then it packs into a...
It's a tiny bag. Well, yeah,
There's
there's
a little
like
bag.
this tiny bag.
For your own
Huh.
collar or something?
No, that's
from
for the
your
coat.
Hey, Daddy.
The whole thing fits in there.
I'm
What
getting
the
really
heck?
hot now.
Are you?
Yeah.
You want to wear it for a couple minutes to see if it's warm?
Sure. Walk around with it on.
I like the
Which
dark
one do you like better?
I like the
The
dark
wine
one.
color one or the
For you, green.
green one?
Yeah,
I like the
definitely.
green too. We'll be twinses.
We'll be twins.
Yeah.
This is not. Oh my god, I'm really hot.
Oh.
No, Pampers or Huggies?
Huh? How do they figure out price-wise?
So there's 112 for 38, 112 for 36. Looks like we're gonna get some Huggies.
Looks like we're getting Huggies.
And
So
they
how's
really
this?
like them.
How's this app working out?
Oh my gosh, it's so sensitive, like in a good way. I just hit the scan thing, and I just have to get close to it, and it goes, zoom, and I got it.
Yeah, nice. So then
There
we don't have to wait in line.
So now we don't have to wait in line, which is nice.
Yay! There's another adult for them to chase.
Yeah, right? Oh, it's on the end, Brian. It's right here. Come on,
Okay.
Tara. Where are the babies?
They're coming.
Come on, buddy.
What do we got? Oh, okay. Juice Monster, Java Monster. That stuff's all weird.
Lemon lime grapefruit.
Lemon lime grapefruit. That's a good one.
Yeah.
$8. That's a way cheaper than buying it in a normal store.
Cool. We get the one on top.
You got it. All right. Every once in a while, we will get something from this area.
Daddy, come here.
The salads are good.
Daddy, I want to get this.
Sometimes the like take it home and bake it stuff is good. So meat we don't get a lot of here just because we don't go through that quantity of it that quickly. We do, however, get chicken at Costco. What are you doing, Ben? Are you relaxing? Are you falling? So Ben was asleep for the toy house. Now he's not. What is it, buddy? Oh, did you find Mickey?
Ben. Bennett. I found PJ Masks.
PJ Masks?
Wait, what?
Yeah, he was down there playing with a Mickey thing, and Tara came up and said, PJ Masks. He was like, and ran.
He loves PJ Masks.
Yeah. Definitely don't need a 3-pack of huge cars, though.
No.
Yeah, they are. For toys for a 2-year-old, those are large.
Alrighty. Okay, so am I ready to check out?
I guess.
We're at $137.99.
Can you knock 100 off of that? Can you barter with the app?
No.
Be like, I'll give you 120?
No. Alrighty, we ready?
I guess so.
Okay, check out.
Did you attach a card to it already?
I don't think so. That's why I wanted to see. Please add a payment amount. I wanted to see what the next. So I didn't want to get up there and do it, and then be like, no. I have to fill in our billing address, and so I'm glad I looked at this before we got up to where you walk out, or else I'd be like, oh wait, hold on a second.
I bet you a lot of people get up there and do it up there and then stand there doing this.
I don't ever want to be that person that is in people's way.
Yep.
Alrighty, done. I was expecting it to be able to like take a picture of my card and do it,
Yeah.
but it didn't. I had to type it all in.
It's funny though, because that's such an easy thing to add to an app. So what did we
Maybe
end up
Santa
with?
will bring PJ Masks.
Oh,
so
these coconut bites were delicious.
they were really good.
So
The
good.
lady in
And
the back said
best
that
part,
she mixes them with popcorn.
but the best part about these, the kids aren't going to eat those.
No, they're not.
No, because Tara doesn't like coconut, and we're just keep them away from the littles. Is that the daddy?
Trick-or-treating at his house.
You see the daddy? How cute. Checkout process?
Awesome.
Complete-
We will use it again.
Complete lack of checkout process.
That was wonderful. 'Cause
Yes.
There was a long line today.
So she just had a little scanner.
Yep, little iPhone scanner.
Yeah, so she just scanned that little QR code and
She didn't even check that
we
what
walked
was
out
there
the door.
was there.
Yeah. Then we just walked out the door.
Yep.
Yeah, where are we gonna put this? We're gonna put all this on Jen's lap?
Yep, it's all gonna be on Jen.
Awesome. You're walking right by our van.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, our van's right there.
Oh, you backed in because you're a crazy person.
I know. I wasn't thinking.
Alrighty, we are gonna go back to Jen's house and see her older kids.
Okay.
Okay, so we are headed back to the campground. We had a nice day visiting. We got to see some of the kids, which was nice. We're gonna head home. I think Brian's gonna make pot stickers.
Yep.
And then he has a night out with the boys tonight,
It's D&D night.
playing D&D over at one of the guys' houses. So it'll be me and the children hanging out at the RV, which means like movie night, and we'll eat all the food that Daddy doesn't let us eat, and it'll be awesome.
What food would that be?
It'll be the secret food that you don't know where it is.
Bowls of candy.
We're just gonna eat all of the Halloween candy while he's gone. It's gonna be great.
Because we're getting more tomorrow.
Yeah,
So
we're
we
getting
need to
more
make
tomorrow.
room.
We need to make room in the bowls for the candy we'll get tomorrow. And then Brian and I are going to start a diet on November 1st. We're packing it in so we can lose it. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Visit us at 5togo.com and check out our Patreon page at patreon.com/5togo. Maybe you can be part of our family too.
There are going to be some exclusive patron-only videos coming up quite soon.
Yes, you gotta get in on that.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.